Hey guys, welcome to this video. I'm Prajwal from Indie Crypto, and there is a lot of drama, a lot of high action-packed things going on in the cryptocurrency space. So I thought let's make a quick video on this and see what's happening. So inside this video we'll be seeing the price rise in Litecoin, what's the cause. Also we'll discuss about the Ethereum and Bitcoin network congestion, and also see why few of the other cryptocurrencies are soaring in price. Okay, so first let's speak about Litecoin. As you can see today, the price of Litecoin has soared and it's touched more than 15,500 on Coinex, and it's currently trading at around 10,500. If you just look at the price yesterday and day before, it was somewhere around 7,000. Okay, so what's caused this price rise in Litecoin? Now this is mainly to do with the network congestion in the Ethereum and the block on the Bitcoin network. Okay, so if you check the block explorers of Bitcoin, there are currently around 1,77,000 unconfirmed transactions, which is reducing at the moment, but again that's a huge number considering the number of transactions that goes on the Bitcoin network. And the same is happening on the Ethereum blockchain as well. There are a total of 22,000 plus transactions still pending on the Ethereum network as well. Now what's the cause of this delay in the transactions of Ethereum in the Ethereum network? This is mainly to do with one of the games that was built on the Ethereum blockchain called CryptoKitties. This game is entirely built on the Ethereum blockchain, and this particular game has become very popular, due to which you can see here that it's responsible for 10 to 15% of all the transactions that are happening in the Ethereum network, right? So you guys do understand that Ethereum is a huge blockchain. If you check out the coin market cap, it's at number 2. There are numerous ICOs built on Ethereum platform. There are a lot of other applications built on Ethereum platform, and if you look at that volume and compare it to CryptoKitties, which is responsible for 10 to 15% of the transactions, that's actually huge. Okay, so this is the main reason for the delay in the transactions of Ethereum network, which the developers are currently looking at, but it's taking longer than expected. So following these delays in the main cryptos, or the top 2 cryptos, Litecoin is considerably fast because it has a faster confirmation rate, it has a faster transaction time. So that is one of the main reasons, according to me, this is my personal opinion again, that has caused the rise in the price of Litecoin. Now let's understand Litecoin a little bit better to see why this is happening. Now, as you guys know, Litecoin is actually an exact clone of Bitcoin. The differences are that Litecoin was created for faster transactions. Okay, say on Bitcoin a block moves every 10 minutes, and on Litecoin a block moves, or a transaction gets confirmed, every 2.5 minutes on average. And currently Bitcoin is mined on ASIC chips. Litecoin is currently still mined on GPUs or video cards of computers. And Litecoin has a maximum supply of 84 million. In comparison, Bitcoin has a max supply of 21 million. And Litecoin was actually created by a Google employee called Charlie Lee, who was also with Coinbase for some time. And there are a number of developers in Litecoin who are actively working on Litecoin, and Litecoin has always been in the forefront when it comes to scalability or development, we have seen earlier this year, where Litecoin was one of the first cryptocurrencies to implement SegWit scaling solution, and there was also development in regards to the Lightning network. There was already a transaction that was done by Charlie Lee himself. He posted that on Twitter, that a Lightning transaction was done from Zurich to San Francisco, and to buy a cup of coffee, I guess, and it took less than 1 second. So Litecoin has always been in the forefront when it comes to scalability and development, which is a very, very important point at this point, because there has been a lot of speculation surrounding the scalability of Bitcoin, because the SegWit fork that was supposed to happen last month was called off because of lack of consensus, which was actually one of the main reasons as well why Bitcoin Cash also soared in price, because Bitcoin Cash has a bigger block size compared to Bitcoin, and the transactions are fairly faster, and the transaction fees is also fairly less. That is one of the other point about Litecoin as well. And not only the transaction is fast, the transaction fees is also considerably less compared to Bitcoin and Ethereum at the moment. So that's one of the main reasons why Litecoin price is rising. Is it going to rise further? Nobody can predict that. Okay, nobody can predict anything when it comes to prices on cryptocurrencies. Okay, a lot of this technical analysis and stuff, people do that. I'm not sure how they get their head around it, but all it takes is a simple news to make or break the market of a certain cryptocurrency. So nobody can actually predict the prices, whether they're going to go up or down, but at the moment I think that's the main reason why the price of Litecoin is rising. And following this, there has been some interesting developments, because whenever such things happen, there is a huge demand of certain cryptocurrencies. Especially I've seen this in Indian exchanges. Currently CoinEx is not able to handle, or they have some technical issues as well. As you can see here, the Indian rupees deposits are delayed for more than 6 to 7 hours. So most of the times this do happen, that the exchanges go down when you need them the most. These happen a lot of times, okay, and I've been seeing this of late more with CoinEx. They have a few issues here and there where they have halted the trading for more than 12 hours in one instance. The INR deposits are getting delayed and more such things. This is eventually going to happen because of the demand of cryptocurrencies in India, and yeah, because CoinEx started and still in beta version, that will be testing a lot of things. Speaking about CoinEx, I also checked Coinomi, which is another exchange which we spoke about in my earlier video, which is an exchange powered by BillDesk. And as you can see here, Coinomi is down. I did check Coinomi earlier today because they also had Litecoin added to their exchange, and the price was also on a higher side compared to CoinEx, and all of a sudden the website came down, and I also received an email that they are going through an emergency maintenance due to the surge in volume trades and usage, right? So I guess the price rise in Litecoin has caused a lot of issues for few exchanges, and yeah, let's see how this goes. So let me know your thoughts, guys. What do you think is causing the price rise of Litecoin and other cryptos? And please do leave your questions or comments in the comment section below, and I'll definitely love to read them and answer your questions. So that's it in this video, and I'll see you very soon in the next one.